For your residential or commercial concrete requirements in southeast Wisconsin, the team to talk to is Carr Construction. From domestic projects like driveways, patios, walkways and pools to large-scale commercial building projects and excavations, at Carr Construction we bring generations of knowledge and experience to everything we do. Whether it's a rejuvenating or maintaining an existing concrete structure or laying the foundations for a brand new project, our attention to detail is the same. Our repeat commercial and residential clients comment on our dedication and innovation that makes us the standout concrete contractor in the area. We use only the best, most durable materials and the latest equipment, and our skilled team of employees has a reputation for reliability, safety and expertise. Carr Constructions is licensed, bonded and insured, and no job is too large or small. So when you think concrete, think Carr Construction. Contact us today for a free estimate.